Now there is one term, upcasting. Here we are doing upcasting, right? What is upcasting? Let's see. Basically, first of all, what is casting? Casting is a conversion of one type to another, right? In the object-oriented programming, casting between the class types happen within an inheritance hierarchy, means between the parent and the child. This is important. Okay, so conversion of one type to another, casting between the class types, between the parent and the child. Okay, now what is upcasting? Upcasting is process of converting a subclass, this is the child, reference to a superclass reference. Okay, this is the parent. Now let's say we are creating the child object, child c1 equal to new child. Okay, so this is the child, its parent is, this is the parent class, and this is the child class. Basically it extending the parent class, right? Extending parent class. So this is the child, this is the parent. Now if we want to create the object of child, we can create like this, correct? Child c1 equal to new child, correct? Now we can do upcasting here. What is upcasting? Converting a subclass reference to the superclass reference. We can change the reference here. We can do parent c1 equal to new child, right? And this is simply what? The upcasting. Converting the subclass reference to the superclass reference. Got it? Now we are taking the reference of the parent class. And why it is called up? You can easily see in the hierarchy. We are going up. We are taking the up reference. So parent class is above the child class. So going up means upcasting. Understood? This is clear, right? Let's see the example. So we are having animal class. We are having dog class, right? Additionally, see, the sound method is common. But additionally we are having this fetch is additional, and the dog, this is child, this is parent. Okay, now we are doing upcasting. We are creating animal a equal to new dog, right? We are doing upcasting. Now we are calling the sound method a.sound, right? So at the compile time, what it will check? It will check this reference, right? That is the type of parent, it's there. This is the compile time checking, and again then it will check the sound method is there in the animal or not, right? At the compile time. So it's there at the compile time. But if we do a.fetch, will it work or not? This fetch method is present in the dog class but not present in the animal class, right? So at the compile time it will check animal has fetch method or not. It's not there, right? So this will be the error. This will be the compilation error. So this will be the error at the compile time. Okay, now you can see here, if we are calling a.sound, what will be the output? Now if we compile it and at the runtime, what it will do? It will be assigning this dog object. We will be using the dog object. Now a is the dog object, right? So it will call the sound method from the dog class, this one, right? This one. At the runtime it will be printing dog barks, right? And this will not be there because this is the error at the compile time only. Okay, so you got it, right? So I have written here a.fetch will be the compile time error, method not found in the animal. Great, this part is clear, right? The upcasting. Now there are some key points. Allowed implicity, no cast needed, and you can only access the method availability in the parent class, correct? But overridden methods are resolved at the runtime, as we have seen above. Okay, now let's come to the downcasting. What is downcasting? This is the process of converting a superclass reference to the subclass reference. The opposite of upcasting, right? Parent is what? Superclass, and child is subclass, right? So converting a superclass reference to the subclass reference, right? So let's say here is the example. We will be first using this upcasting thing, a equal to new dog. This is upcasting, right? Upcasting. So here we have made what? We have took the reference of animal, that is the parent class, and used the object of dog, that is the child class, child and parent. Now downcasting will be the opposite. Now we will be converting the reference, this reference to the what? To the child. How? We can do like dog d, we will be using the new reference, and we will be providing the cast, that is dog, and this object a, right? So this is downcasting. From the parent reference we are converting to the child reference. Okay, got it? Here cast is required. So let's see the example. So here we are having parent class, child class. This method is additional, fetch, same as before, and we are having the main function, main method. So first we are doing this upcasting as we did in the previous code, right? After that we are doing this downcasting. What we are doing? The same thing. First we have made the animal reference, animal a, this one, right? After that we are converting this animal reference, that is the parent reference, to child reference, right? So this is the downcasting, and using this d, now we can call d dot fetch, right? We can call this will not be the compilation error. Okay, so here you can see first we are doing what? We have made the animal reference. Okay, this will be checked at the compile time. A dot sound, it will check sound is present in animal or not. Again it's there. Okay, then we are performing downcasting. We are downcasting a to d. Okay, now we are calling d dot fetch. Now it will check if fetch is there in the dog or not, right? Dog is as the child class, we are downcasting, so it's there. Again it's passed. Got it? So now there was the error, right? If you see here, this was the error, right? If we write like this will be the compilation error. How to handle this? Now we can use one method, that is instance of. Okay, if this a is the instance of dog, then we will be calling this. Otherwise we can say this is not the object of dog, right? So how we can use this? We can use this like this. This is what? Save downcasting, instance of, right? So what we are doing? We are checking if a is the instance of what? Dog. If this is the instance of dog, then we can call the method in the dog, right, which is present in the dog. So we can do dog d equal to dog a, right? Then what we are doing? D dot fetch. Else we can say it's not the dog. Sys out not a dog. Okay, let's try to run this here. See, let's see the example. Let's say we are not doing any downcasting. Okay, we are just having the upcasting, that is reference of the animal and the dog object, and we are simply checking or calling the a.sound. Sound is present in the animal. Okay, we are not calling fetch currently. Now if we run this will pass, right? Now let's say if we are trying to call this fetch, then what's happen? Then it will be error. What error? Cannot find the symbol. Sorry, it will be a. It will be the error related to the this method, right? Method fetches not present, correct, in the animal. Got it? Now if we do the downcasting, let's say we are having the animal a and we are downcasting it, right? Then we can simply do it and it will run. Okay, d.fetch, because d is the new object after downcasting, so we can call the fetch now. Got it? Now what is this safe downcasting? Safe downcasting is good to use. We will see the example of the safe now. So this was the downcasting. Now let's see the safe downcasting. Okay, so we are first checking if a is the instance of dog or not. Let's run this. Okay, so we are converting it, right? We are doing the downcasting because a is the instance of dog, right? Instance of means object of dog. Got it? So this is downcasting, right? Let's say if we are not having the object of this dog, we are simply having what? Animal a equal to new animal. We are simply having the object of parent. Okay, parent object. Now will it downcast or not? Now we are having the reference of animal, that is the parent class, and the object of parent class. We are not having the object of child class. So now we can downcast it or not? No, we can't downcast it, right? So here it will failed. Let's run this. It will print not a dog, right? So thus a is not an instance of dog, not an object of dog. It is the object of animal, so we can't downcast it. I think it's clear for everyone now. What is downcast? What is upcast? Okay, so this is what? Safe downcasting. Okay, this is safe downcasting. We are first checking if a is the instance of dog, then only we can what? We can downcast it. Otherwise it will throw the error if we are not using this if condition. Let me show you the example of this also. If we are not using this if else condition, okay, now run it. We are having the reference of animal, parent class, object of parent class, and we are trying to downgrade it, downcast it. Now let's run this. Error. See, what is the error? Class cast exception, right? So class animal cannot be cast to the class dog. Got it? So it will be the error. Okay, so this is the safe downcasting. First we are checking, then we are converting. Understood, right? Okay, so let's check one demo code for both upcasting and the downcasting, right? So we are having the animal class, parent class, we are having this dog class, right, which is the child class. It is having one more method, that is fetch. This is the additional fetch method that is not present in the animal class, right? After that, in the main function, what we are doing? First we are doing the upcasting, right? Upcasting is simple, using the parent reference, that is animal, a equal to object of child class, that is dog. This is the upcasting, right? So then we are doing what? We are calling the a.sound. Now sound is present in the what? In the animal class, then it will pass. If we trying to call fetch, right, then it will fail because in the parent it's not present. Correct, it will fail at the compilation. Now what's next? Then we are doing this downcasting the safe way. What is the safe way? Safe way is to first check if a instance of dog, then only we will downcast it, then only we will convert it to the dog object, right? So then what we will do, dog d equal to dog, we will provide the cast, then what, then a, right? This is downcasting, or we can also say explicit downcast. We are providing the cast, right? Cast is there. So now we can call this d.fetch because fetch is present in the dog object, so it will not throw any error at the compilation, right? Else we can handle this. If this is not the dog, we can simply say a is not dog. Okay, now this is what, this is the safe downcasting. We are first checking this a instance of dog, then only we are converting, right? If a is not the instance of dog, then we can simply say a is not a dog and we will not perform downcasting. Correct. Okay, now this is the safe. If we are not using safe, then what will be the code? I explained you here also, right? Okay, explained you with the code, right? If we are using the reference of parent animal a equal to new and object is also of animal a, and then directly converting it, dog y equal to dog a, then this will be the unsafe, this will throw the error. Safe is basically using this condition. Got it? Understood? So the last topic is, it's simple only, just we will be using the interface, right? As we seen yesterday also, right? That is open and close principle. That is open to modify, open to extension, not modify, extension, and close to modification, right? So the best practice is to use the interface, then add the classes which is required. Let's say interface is vehicle, then we will be adding the car, okay, and we are providing the definition. Bike, implementing the vehicle interface, providing the definition of the start method. And in the main function, what we are doing, we are using the reference of this interface, vehicle, v equal to new car, right? So using the reference of the interface or the parent class, parent interface we can say, right? And here the object of child class. Got it? And we can simply call the v.start because this method is present in the start, right? Got it? So using interface we can get 100% abstraction. Abstraction is what? Hiding the logic. Okay, we are not providing any definition, any implementation, we are hiding the logic, providing only the necessary details, that is start we are providing. Got it, guys? So that's it for today. This is the summary table. I will be sharing you the notes in the description, you can find it.